How would you have known that there's a relationship between AI and real estate, and billions of dollars from high net worth individuals and private equity firm is being pumped into this kind of real estate related to AI? Anyways, I come bearing good news every other day, so hear me out. Before you can access this video right now, it is stored in a data center somewhere that you do not know about. A data center is a physical infrastructure that houses computer facilities, that house millions and millions of GPUs, storage facilities, and networking cables, etc. And of course, it has very high demand and need for air cooling, water cooling, etc. There are different types of data centers. There is enterprise data center, often small scale, built for enterprise organization. There is hyperscale data centers, which is built for the big cloud service providers like the Azure of Microsoft, the AWS of Amazon, GCP of Google, IBM, etc. There is co-location, which is built by some fund and they're put to rent in case some of these hyperscalers are out of scale or out of capacity, and of course some enterprise organization. And of course there is edge data center, which is often small scale and they're built close to your city and around some edge locations. And for those who do not know, the data center market is about 425 billion US dollars right now in 2025, and of course estimated to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 8% to about $650 billion in 2029. This is a very huge market. There's huge demand for data centers all around the world because of the demand for artificial intelligence in terms of training, in terms of inference, and millions of GPUs being ordered every other day. That being said, a good number of high net worth individuals and private equity funds are pumping billions of dollars into a type of investment called the data center REITs. And that's a class of infrastructure REIT. For those who do not know, REIT is Real Estate Investment Trust, and it is a pool of fund that is 75% invested in a real estate or infrastructure project. And of course, for regulatory reasons, they are mandated to pay about 90% of their profits to trustees and shareholders. So that's where a lot of money is going to right now. And of course, it's traded in the exchange, and even you and I can still take advantage of data center REITs to gain exposure to like the AI value chain. And for regulatory reasons, I'm not going to call the name of any product. Just Google data center REIT and you're going to do your research and see some examples. Maybe you like it. Mine is to give you information. That's all.